Sunday morning at our house. Okay, let's go. Can you push it? We're trying to use as many toys as possible. Okay, be careful, Isaac. Slow down so Liesl can hold on. Uh-huh. Yeah. Aren't you guys talented? Can you say, good morning, everybody?
Liesl fell down.
Yeah, Liesl fell down. Bye-bye, guys. Have fun.
Here we go. Now our fried chicken is point.
Oh, okay. Sounds good. Can you say bye?